Okay, so in this question here, we have a really nice introductory question into the idea of probabilities and how to calculate them for relatively simple concepts like dice and coin flips and so on. And so here we're told that we throw a normal dice once and we're asked to find the probability that it lands on an even number. And so as we know, a dice has 6 faces and they just contain numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on to 6. And so what we basically need to do is just count how many of these outcomes are going to be even numbers. So we can see that there's going to be 2, 4 and 6, and so that's going to be 3 out of the 6 outcomes. So that means that the probability of E for an even number, so we're also getting used to the notation here, kind of how we label different outcomes. So E would be even in this case and O would be odd. So the probability of an even number is going to be the 3 kind of different even numbers we have available, which are 2, 4 and 6. So that's 3 over the total number of outcomes, which is going to be 6. And we always express probabilities as a decimal usually, so we need to convert 3 over 6 into a decimal. So we can just convert it to a half first, because 3 over 6 is the same as a half, and as a decimal we know that a half is going to be 0.5, and that means that the chance of getting an even number if we throw one dice is going to be 0.5, and so that is going to be it for this question.